Hi, this is Vanessa from Vanessa Nicole, and I currently just finished a sparkle restoration on one of the rings that I've made in the past. So this is what the ring looks like. It's a 3.19 carat round diamond halo ring, and this is what it was brought into me looking like, and this is completely normal. And I know a lot of women feel so bad when they see an image like this where they think, oh my god, I had no idea I let my ring go like this, but this is really normal if you're not cleaning it. She said that she had just gotten it clean from a local jewelry store, just a quick steam clean. But the difference between a quick steam clean and like a quick surface polish versus what this is the sparkle restoration service that I offer, which basically brings it back to completely new. So you can see the metal looks just very buttery and like a glassy lake. And this is how it was beforehand. She doesn't have a wedding band next to it yet, so this is just by itself. And you can see there's a lot of soap suds and lotion kind of up underneath those diamonds and just very scratched up. And you can see here there's just a lot of film, just a white milky film underneath the center diamond that is not allowing the light to fully shine up underneath it to truly sparkle. So this is very common, but a lot of people don't realize how dirty their ring actually is until they get something like this done, where they can really see the difference on a large screen like this. So I just wanted to give you an example of, clean your ring and it's going to sparkle so much more. Just make it look bright, sparkly, and new. And when I showed my client this, she was like, oh my gosh, I had no idea it looked like this because I thought it looked nice and I kept getting compliments. And you will keep getting compliments if the diamonds are set nicely. So even if there are things underneath it and some soap suds and lotions and even self-tanner underneath it, it happens, and it still will look beautiful if it's well made. But think about how much nicer it can look when it looks like this. So anyway, I hope this was informative on keeping your ring clean. And this is Vanessa from Vanessa Nicole, where I create custom engagement rings for clients all over the world. And you ideally want to keep your ring looking like this as much as possible versus the before. Bye-bye.